In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a user out of their account in Google Workspaces admin. Whether you're managing a large team or simply ensuring security protocols are being followed, knowing how to log a user out remotely can be a crucial skill in your admin toolkit. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to go to Google Workspace. This platform is your starting point for accessing all things related to managing your organization's Google services. Once there, navigate to the admin console. This central hub is where you'll handle all administrative tasks, from user management to device oversight. Next, it's time to log in. Use your business email, a key step to access the full array of management features available to you. Enter your credentials, and after clicking next or sign in, you'll be granted access to your admin dashboard, the command center for controlling your organization's Google Workspace environment. Now, look towards the top right of your screen for the Google Apps menu. Clicking on this will reveal a suite of options. From this menu, select the admin icon. This will efficiently take you into the admin console where you perform the bulk of your management tasks. Within the admin console, head over to devices. This section is dedicated to monitoring and managing the various devices connected to your network, offering insights and control at the click of a button. After selecting devices, you'll find an option labeled Overview. Here, you'll get a comprehensive look at the devices under your administration. From the overview section, find and click on endpoints. This vital area shows you all the endpoints, essentially the devices, that are accessing your organization's Google data. It's a powerful tool for maintaining security and oversight. Now it's time to select the specific device you wish to sign a user out of. You'll see a list or grid of devices, each representing an endpoint associated with user accounts within your network. Find the device in question and highlight or select it. This step allows you to pinpoint exactly where you want to execute the sign out. By completing these steps, you've effectively logged the user out of their account from that specific device, ensuring that security measures are upheld across your workplace. This process not only safeguards personal and professional data, but also helps maintain productivity and protects organizational integrity. Remotely signing a user out can be useful in various scenarios, from a lost device to a compromised account, providing an additional layer of security when you need it most. That wraps up our guide on logging a user out of their account via Google Workspaces admin. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and straightforward. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher, or share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Thanks for watching, and have a secure day.